Hello everyone, I am Lovelyjho. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the winter season here in Sweden. You can enjoy to see the snow everywhere along the road, and you can witness the beautiful moment of sunset. You know mga kalavely, every time I see snow, I feel excitement over holidays coming. Mga kalavely, please join me to feel the cold weather of winter and the quiet moment of beautiful sunset. By the way mga kalavely, before we continue for a long drive going home, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my members for your kindness, and to all my viewers, my subscribers, my family, my friends, for your endlessly supporting and viewing my videos. Thank you so much. And mga kalavely, for those who are new on my channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell on, subscribe, hit the like, comment, and share. I love watching the sunset because it's bring me a sense of peace and serenity that can be so hard to find in the hectic life like me. Sunset is a great way to unwind from a long day, meditate, plan out future goals and aspirations, and just simply think. Did you know mga kalavely, sunset in snow has also been proven to have health benefits. Psychologists says admiring nature for its natural beauty can enhance the well-being of many. It's correct. It is good for the mind, body, and soul, and a quiet, a treat for the eyes as well. So, if you're given an opportunity to chase the snow and sunset, grab your camera, make a photograph on it, make a video clip just like what I am doing right now, and enjoy the nature's most extraordinary gift of me. Once again mga kalavely, thank you so much for always having time, effort, and for giving your unconditional support to my channel. Thank you so much, lalong-lalo na sa mga kababayan ko at sa ang sulok ng mundo. Thank you so much to all my viewers, my friends, and especially my family, that they are always support to my channel. Thank you for watching.